Hi everyone, I'm John Sereni from Leeburn & Company, Sunbury's most experienced real estate agents. I'm here at 9 Seagull Place in Sunbury. Now, just before I take you through this home, which is going to blow you away, I actually want to show you what we're actually looking at here. The thing I always recommend to my buyers is make sure you check out the location, and this location doesn't get any better. Take a look. So now that you understand how premium this location is, once you step inside this home, it is going to blow you away. There are multiple living areas, a fantastic central chef's delight kitchen, 4 bedrooms, a study, a library area, and this fantastic indoor-outdoor entertaining that I've never seen before. Why don't you come inside and take a look? I'm sure you'll be just as excited as what I am. So whether it's the home theatre or you can see yourself entertaining right here, your family and friends, I'm sure you'll be just as relaxed as I am. Private inspections are now available. Call us anytime, Leeburn & Company. Hope to see you soon.